Guys, I'm about to get a haircut. I'm so excited. Yes, sir.
Let's go.
This is better than I expected.
Who do you want to meet in life?
One time.
Can I say it?
Yeah. Yeah.
How about a why?
I kind of want to look like Prime Jason. You know what I mean? So I kind of wanted this. Is that cool?
I can do that for you.
Hey.
What the fuck?
You think you'll marry soccer? That's an honest question.
I might, bro. Who knows, man?
Yeah, I need a
Life
home,
works
bro.
in mysterious days. You need a home?
Yeah, I need a home. I've been like Airbnb and Airbnb.
Who's your...
Are we dead at? Are we dead at? Are we dead at? Okay. I'm 17. No, I'm chilling.